Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
BB0086S and color code 005. It's a silver color frame. On the temple here we have a silver color, and at the temple tip we have a Balenciaga emblem in black. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple, has the same Balenciaga emblem at the temple tip. The lenses are a gray mirror color, and it has the Balenciaga writing all over the lenses. The style of this frame is a fashion cat eye. Up here we have a Balenciaga case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.